Hello, today I would like to present you this absolutely beautiful device that I recently purchased. It is phone to Ethernet adapter and it allows you to attach into iPhone or iPad with the Lightning port to Ethernet devices. So you can have the RJ45 plug and you can attach yourself to like a router or switch. Back then, when that thing was like a brand new, the idea was that the Ethernet was faster than Wi-Fi. Nowadays it is of course not true, but it allows you to configure devices, send firmware or do like a more networking maintenance task with having your iPhone. And to put this into perspective, the smallest device that I was using for those type of tasks was this Asus EPC, and that's because it got an Ethernet port and it is small, it is portable, but nowadays those tasks are extremely rare. Most devices got a Wi-Fi access and you can configure them through a wireless connection, so I can use my phone or tablet, but with Ethernet devices that are like a very specific thing when you need to upload firmware, then you need to get access through that type of connection, the wire connection, and this device, that small, allow you to plug into your phone and gain the RJ45 port. So it is absolutely amazing. Just take a look how small it is. And of course, we are assuming that you are already carrying your iPhone or an iPad, because of course it's going to be also working here. And I will be using that device because we've got a more real estate. But before that, let me create a small test setup. Here we've got a vintage Ethernet router. We are going power it on via that port. We go like this. We of course grab our vintage Go 0. We are going to plug ourselves here and we are going to start the inverter. And as you can see, our Netgear is powering up. This is just a commercial router, so we do not have any access point and we've got no way to connect via our iPad. In other way that using one of those RJ45 port or of course a console. If we open settings on our iPad, we've got a new section that is being called Ethernet and we are being detected. We can configure our IP address automatically, or we can get them from DHCP. I deeply believe this device got active DHCP already, and yes, I'm covering my name, so we should be good to go. I will disable my Wi-Fi connection, so you know that we are being only connected through a wire. Device is being operational, and we do not require any drivers. I'm using the latest iOS. We plug our RJ45 and we go into the LAN side. And just imagine that we mess up our configuration and I need to fix something up because we put it down. So we are being detected. We've got the communication and we can open our bar and we can log in. And as you can see, we've got our panel and I can log in. Just like that. We've got access to our device and I can make configuration whenever I go. Of course, when you are looking at that beefy iPad, you can get impression that it's going to be better to carrying a netbook, and 100% yes, I agree, but the point is to use it with your iPhone, so you've got something that you are already carrying with you, you are already using to like update firmware on your devices, and the only additional thing that you are carrying, you can actually fit in your palm. You can put it into your bag and you can forget about it. If situation happen, you don't know the Wi-Fi password, you cannot reset the device, then this is everything that you need to do, just like that. And here I'm being connected through my iPhone, and as you can see, it's working just fine. So we can log in. Let me show you that way, that when I press here, we've got a network traffic going on. We've got already our session established. Do not afraid of that error. That was from my iPad. And as you can see, everything is working fine. And this is the minimalistic setup. Of course, if you need to do like a Telnet or SSH, you've got absolutely no problem. Those applications are also running. Just imagine that you need to check if you've got communication and you need to send just a regular ping, then yes, absolutely no problem. We can send a ping and we've got our response. We send one, we receive one. If you are planning to be doing longer session and you would like to recharge your phone, then here you've got a lightning port that you can use for recharging. So this is absolutely one of the most beautiful devices that I recently seen. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time and bye bye.